Can you write me a good prompt for AI to generate a mature girl office lady?
Generate a detailed description of a mature and professional female office executive. Highlight her appearance, attire, demeanor, and the aura of confidence she exudes as she navigates her work environment.
I copy and paste the prompt to playground.ai. Can you write me a negative prompt to remove extra limbs and extra eyes, only want simple gray background or white?
Create an image with a focus on a character having only the necessary limbs and eyes, set against a plain and minimalistic background in either simple gray or white. And I paste it to negative prompt in playground.ai.
I choose cinematic, warm. It took not long to generate 1024 by 1024 picture. Now I will perform swap face with another AI tool in Discord. In my previous video I performed face swap. I did preload a picture and save the swapped as E1. It also doesn't take long to face swap it. Face swap done in few seconds. Now the last AI tool. Animate still picture. Which I also show in previous video how I perform. I did found out to perform private post. So what you see is different from previous video. I used the same prompt smiling and chit-chatting. Text to video. Image to video. Are very new. I have to queue. But today it took not long. Lucky. Total time it took is around 1 minute.